So now that we have added the main bars, we just need to add the stirrups. For that, we'll just cut one small section here. Try to snap it to the perpendicular of the beam. We'll create a section 3. I'll go to section 3 and we'll see the 3 bars here. I'll go to rebar and I'll select this shape. Okay. If you do not have 8 mm dia, I can go to this edit type, duplicate and type 8 mm dia bar and change this, because you might not have a 8 mm dia stirrup. So you'll have to kind of duplicate, create a new one by naming it, and then changing the actual property here. The rest of the things you don't need to change. So I'll click OK and I can just hover over the beam and I'll add it here. Only thing is you see this error that's happening. Not a big issue. I'll go to 3D. I'll select this bar. I'll come back to the section while it being selected and I'll shift it a little down. Okay, I can use TL, which is thick lines, to see whether it's fine. Right now it seems fine, but it's just thicker lines. I'll go to detail level and I'll see fine. And this kind of gives me a better idea. Okay, so I'll switch on thin lines and go to detail level fine, and it will give me a double line. I can go more accurate, go here, select the bar, move it ahead. Okay, similarly I can go to the bottom bars, go to the section and move these a little up. Okay, now going in the section, I don't need one bar, I need multiple of them. So I'll click on this and I'll say minimum clear spacing and I'll call it, let's say 200. Okay, and I have everything. I'll just go to this older section once again, and this seems fine to me. Okay, so this is that. Just one thing, if you want to displace this, I'll click on any item and I'll click on this tiny button here called displace elements, and from here this arrow will come and I can take it above. Okay, this is just a visual representation. The beam is very much with the 3 bars. Okay, only in this 3D it's there, and I can also add these parts. I can take the stirrups also. I can click on this tiny thing and kind of move it ahead separately, and I can add displacement if I want, right? And then this bars also, if I want, and take the displacement, I can move them this side, move them this side, whatever I want. Okay, it's just for displacement. So that's how you can add stirrups and main reinforcements to your beams.